Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this unboxing for LBeads, and I've agreed to do a collaboration with them with an unboxing and 2 tutorials, and I'm going to share with you what I picked out. I was allowed to pick out $35 worth, and that included freight. So you know, coming to Canada, the freight cost obviously is a little high. But I picked a lot of little items this time, trying to think of something different that I could create. So the first thing I picked were these little heart charms, and they're gold. No, actually they're gold, but they have the, like the resin, I guess, pink going on those. So those were really cute, and you get 10 of those. And then I got these sequin mixes, and they came in 3 little containers. So they have hearts, flowers, just regular round pieces. So it's a great little mix with different sizes and everything. So I like the color of it. So those were the ones that I picked, and I got 3 of those bottles. Then I picked these little sequin mix, and they're just tiny little pink stars. So you got quite a large bag of them, which is super cute. And you know, you can add them to your current mixes that you have, as you guys all know. Then I picked these large beads, and I believe these beads were 16 millimeter. So I got those. So I'm looking to do some charms with them. Hopefully that's what I can create. And then I picked these hearts, and there are 50 pieces of the pink hearts. So they're just like that, and they all come just in this little packaging, and great to be reused and everything, and they're really good quality packaging as well. Then the next one I got is the same as the hearts, but I got stars instead. Those are cute. Just like to have the little charms to add to things, so those were great. And then I got another 3 bottles of sequin mix, and these ones are just the umbrellas, and they're kind of like a purplish color, pinky purple. So I got that mix, and they're great little containers. So that's that one. And then I got these little pink resin heart type, and that's those, and they're just beads. And they're in this one is 100 pieces. So I picked, as I mentioned, I picked a lot of, you know, things that didn't cost as much, so I could get some different types of beads and everything, so I can create stuff with it. And then I got these, and they're 100 pieces, and they're just your regular pink beads, and these ones are 8 millimeter. And then I got these adorable little glittered glittered beads. I thought they were adorable. Look at those. They almost look like little gumdrops that you could eat. So I got those, and you get 20 pieces in this little packaging. So I'm looking forward to doing some creations with this. And again, it's LBeads, and I'll put all their information below. If you'd like to go look at their channel or their website, just to see if you want to order any of this stuff, or, you know, give them a contact and see if this is something that you're interested in doing as well. And I look forward to sharing 2 videos with you guys, and they'll be following within the next few days. Thanks, guys.